there's no reason to rush into trades. I see too many people, they miss out on a trade, and then they get, you know, antsy and they try and rush it. They rush into a trade and it doesn't go too well. But there's no hurry to trade. The markets are always going to be here, guys. There's going to be opportunity tomorrow. There's going to be more opportunity next Tuesday, all right? So there's no reason you got to rush into trades. Wait for them to come to you. If you miss out on one, doesn't matter. There's always going to be more. Just don't dwell on that you missed out. You know, you're just going to keep trying to chase the damn trade. But what I'm trying to say is there's no rush. There's no rush. There's going to be millions of more opportunities that you could trade and take advantage of. So don't worry about, you know, the trade you missed today or yesterday, because it doesn't fucking matter. There's always going to be more.